Alright, today we're making us a quick and easy, epic baked potato meal. First things first, we're gonna hit it with some olive oil, then stab it a couple times with your fork, get some salt in there, give it a quick wrap in your foil. Gonna do a few of these. Set the cooker to 400 degrees. Gonna steam a little bit of broccoli here as well. Throw these babies in the oven. Oh, we're gonna hit it with the melty cheese. It's important to use this kind of cheese because how it melts doesn't separate. Ancho chili powder. Give a good mix here until it melts. Get that nice consistency like that. Oh yeah. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Steaming hot. Throw in some of that steamed broccoli. What we else gonna add? We're gonna add. Ooh, some pulled pork here. Got some leftover barbecue. Then we got some brisket. Oh, look at that. Some brisket. Hit it with that cheese sauce. Lots and lots of cheese sauce. Oh, yeah. Let's just layer it right on there. What do we got here? Some chives left over here. And some pickled onion. Oh, yeah. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So yummy.